phases of the menstrual cycle. First phase is menstrual phase, or we can say it as menstruation, or it has a name as bleeding phase. It lasts for about 5 to 6 days. It goes through several changes in ovaries. So, changes in ovaries and changes in uterus. In ovaries, during this period, the primary follicles develops into the primordial follicles develops into primary follicles, further to secondary follicles, but the development of these follicles is not released on in that month only. So the past one get released during these periods. So next is events in uterus. Now changes in the uterus during these 50 to 150 ml of blood, mucus, epithelial cells, and cellular debris are discharged during the menstrual cycle, menstrual phase, or during the menstruation. This lasts for 4 to 5 days. The discharge is due to the declining levels of progesterone and estrogens during this period. The stratum functionalis totally slows off. Stratum functionalis totally slows off during this period, and only thin layer of 2 to 5 mm endometrium wall, which is stratum basilis, remains, and all the debris flows from the uterine to cervix and vagina. Now let's discuss the next phase.